Dear TNPSC aspirants, this is Dr. M. Alexander from MEG TNPSC Academy. Let us discuss the key current affairs for November 7th, 2024. Donald Trump, belonging to the Republican Party, has been re-elected as the President of the United States. He has been chosen as the 47th President of the country, while J.D. Vance has been elected as the Vice President. Although the general public votes for the candidates, those votes are ultimately assigned to the electors appointed by the respective candidate's party in each state. These electors are then required to vote for the candidate as per the American electoral process. J.D. Vance has earned the distinction of being the third youngest vice president in US history. His wife, Usha Vance, is of Indian origin. Her parents, who hail from the state of Andhra Pradesh, migrated to the United States in 1986. At the age of 78, Donald Trump has become the oldest individual to be elected as the President of the United States, breaking the record previously held by Joe Biden. The Union Cabinet has approved the Prime Minister's Vidya Lakshmi scheme, which facilitates easy access to educational loans for students, securing admission to the country's top government and private higher education institutions. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw stated that the new scheme, with an estimated budget of rupees 3,600 crore, aims to ensure that financial constraints do not hinder students from obtaining quality higher education. Under this scheme, any student admitted to the country's premier higher education institutions can avail of education loans from banks and financial institutions without requiring collateral or guarantor signatures. The loan will cover the full tuition fees and other study related expenses. Students gaining admission to 860 top ranked higher education institutions in the country as per the National Institutional Ranking Framework will be eligible for loans under this initiative. Over 22 lakh students are expected to benefit annually from the scheme. The Prime Minister's Vidya Lakshmi scheme is another significant step under the National Education Policy 2020. According to the latest NIRF ranking, the scheme will apply to government and private higher education institutions ranked in the top 100 overall and in specific categories. State government higher education institutions ranked between 101 to 200. All central government managed higher education institutions. This initiative will be implemented in these 860 higher education institutions across the country. The Tamil Nadu Minorities Economic Development Corporation (TAMCO) is implementing various loan assistance schemes to promote the economic advancement of individuals belonging to minority communities such as Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Parsis, and Jains. These schemes aim to support individuals in pursuing business ventures and other professions. The key loan assistance programs include Individual Loan Scheme, Educational Loan Scheme for Artisans, Self-Help Group Loan Scheme. These initiatives are designed to empower individuals and communities economically, enabling them to achieve self-sufficiency and progress in their chosen fields. Under the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's Aptitude Test Scheme, examinations are conducted for students studying in government schools. As part of this initiative, students in classes 11th and 12th receive a monthly financial assistance of rupees 1000 to support their education. This scheme aims to encourage academic excellence and reduce financial barriers for students from economically disadvantaged backgrounds, ensuring they have the resources needed to focus on their studies. Key points about tuberculosis. According to a recent World Health Organization report, the number of people affected by TB has decreased by 17.7% in the 8 years between 2015 and 2023. Globally, during the same period, TB cases have reduced by 8.3% as stated in the report. Compared to the global level, India's TB burden has halved, which is an commendable change. A target has been set to completely eradicate TB worldwide by 2030. On this journey, India has designed and successfully implemented significant programs over the last 10 years. According to the 2024 Global TB Report, India was identified as the country with the highest number of TB cases globally in 2023. More than 55.9% of the world's total TB cases are concentrated in 5 countries: India 26%, Indonesia 10%, China 6.8%, Philippines 6.8%, Pakistan 6.3%. Among TB patients, 59% are men, 33% are women, and 12% are children and adolescents. By 2025, India aims to reduce TB cases by half from the current level, decrease TB mortality by 75%. Five major factors contributing to TB infections have been identified based on information from newly affected patients: malnutrition, HIV, alcohol consumption, smoking, diabetes. To combat TB, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has initiated new programs under the Nutritional Support Scheme. Monthly financial assistance of Rs 500 to Rs 1000 is provided to TB patients. Upon diagnosis, an immediate amount of Rs 3000 is given to ensure patients receive adequate nutrition supports. These initiatives aim to improve the health of TB patients and effectively control the disease. Guidelines for artificial intelligence utilization. The Tamil Nadu government has announced the integration of artificial intelligence technology in 8 key areas, including policy formulation. Key initiatives and implementation details. Dedicated AI organization. A separate entity has been established to facilitate the application of artificial intelligence in government operations. The Tamil Nadu Artificial Intelligence Organization has been created with a budget allocation of Rs 13.93 crore. Areas of application. Artificial intelligence will be utilized in 8 major government initiatives, including policy formulation, incorporating features to enhance implementation, collaboration and governance. 4 government-owned entities will work in coordination with the central organization to implement artificial intelligence technologies. The Tamil Nadu E-Governance Agency is responsible for leading this initiative. Education and skill development. Artificial intelligence will be used in projects related to skill development and education enhancement. The Tamil Nadu ICT Academy will contribute to building skills and capacities in these areas. Support for innovation and industry. To promote innovation, startups, societal contributions, and industrial growth, artificial intelligence will be implemented through a partnership between TNEGA and the Institute of Data Science and Technology IDNT at Anna University. IT infrastructure development. The Electronics Corporation of Tamil Nadu (ELCOT) will support the use of AI for enhancing IT infrastructure. These initiatives reflect the state's commitment to leveraging artificial intelligence for efficient governance, capacity building, and fostering innovation in various sectors. Efforts to include traditional medicine under health insurance. The Union Ministry of Ayush has taken steps to ensure that traditional medical treatments can be availed seamlessly under health insurance schemes. Current health insurance coverage limited to allopathy. In Tamil Nadu, most government and private health insurance schemes currently cater predominantly to treatments under allopathy, exclusion of Ayush treatments. Widespread health insurance coverage for traditional medical systems such as Siddha, Unani, Ayurveda, Homeopathy, Yoga, and Naturopathy is not available. New developments. Ayush Inclusion Initiative. To address this gap, the Ministry of Ayush has partnered with the National Institute of Siddha Tamram to work on expanding insurance coverage to include Ayush medical treatments. This initiative is a significant step toward promoting traditional healthcare systems and integrating them into mainstream insurance frameworks, thereby enhancing their accessibility and acceptance. A resolution was passed in the Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir urging the need for dialogue with the central government to restore the special status of the region. It is noteworthy that the central government revoked Article 370 of the Constitution of India on August 5, 2019, which had previously granted Jammu and Kashmir its special status. The Kaveri Water Management Authority has instructed the four states, including Tamil Nadu, that share the Kaveri River to use water more judicially. The 35th meeting of the CWMA was held in New Delhi, chaired by S.K. Haldar, the chairman of the authority. India has condemned Pakistan for raising the Kashmir issue at the United Nations, accusing it of spreading falsehoods and using its separatist political agenda in international forums. In Singapore, a new work visa policy allowing Indian restaurants to employ chefs from Bangladesh and Sri Lanka has received a positive response among restaurant owners. This law was implemented by the Singaporean government in September last year. The leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has stated that the time will come for a caste based census to be conducted across the country. He also emphasized the need to remove the upper limit of 50% reservation in education and employment to ensure better opportunities for all communities. It is noteworthy that the Telangana state government has already initiated the process of caste-based census in the state. The Chennai Grand Masters Chess Tournament is being organized by Chess Base India (MGD) and the Tamil Nadu Sports Development Authority. In the US House of Representatives election, 6 individuals of Indian origin have emerged victorious. As a result, the number of Indian origin representatives in the US Parliament has increased to 6, up from previous count of 5. In the US presidential election, Republican candidate Donald Trump secured a historic victory. It has been revealed that among the memes circulating on social media regarding the election results and Trump's victory, American businessman Elon Musk, also the owner of X formerly Twitter, has emerged prominently in the discussions. The Tamil Nadu government has invited applications for the Kottai Amir Medal for those who have been working for religious harmony. The Kottai Amir Medal is named after Kottai Amir from Kovai Coimbatore, who was known for his efforts in promoting religious harmony. This award is presented every year on Republic Day and includes a 25,000 check, a medal, and a certificate of merit. Thank you.